What's up, homies? Welcome back to another video on the DOW Danny channel. I greatly appreciate everybody that likes, subscribe, commented on my previous videos. It helps a lot with my small channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel that focuses on my 2004 Mustang GT. I upload daily and automotive content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So again, guys, go and follow all the pages. That way you can see all the cool content that I make. Before I start this video, in the end, I do have an announcement to make. It's going to be a bit of a teaser for next year. It's going to be some awesome videos that I have lined up, so stay tuned for the whole video. Let's get to it. Alright, so the most questioned part about the car is the COWL hood. I get questions about it all the time. What brand is it? What size is it? Where'd you get it from? Now, honestly, guys, if you watch my video from, I don't even know, like a year ago, I talked about how I got this hood. I literally traded with somebody randomly on a random day. I was driving by a neighborhood, I saw this COWL hood on a V6, I knocked on a person's door that I didn't even know of, and I asked to trade them. And that was it. That's how I got this COWL hood. Now, the COWL hood is about 4 inches from the base up, and that's the height of it. Brand, I don't know the brand, guys. I've tried looking for the brand, but I can't find it. Now, if you see the videos from back then, which I have links down in the description, you'll see that we tried to put the hood pins in, and it just didn't go well. After that, you know, it was painted, hood pins run correctly, and that was it from there. But man, this thing is so clean, and there's a reason why the car looks so slick. It's basically because this COWL hood does it, man. Like it seals it. It makes it look so nice, so clean. That's it. Like that's simple as that. But I do have a question, guys. Would you like for me to keep this COWL hood, right, or get a Mach 1 hood with a shaker? Now I know it's a 2 valve, and I know the shaker doesn't do nothing, but I am making the car into a show car. I do want to make it look nice. What do you think? Do you think I should keep the COWL hood, or do you think I should put a shaker on it, the Mach 1 hood? Let me know down in the comment section if I do COWL hood or the Mach 1 hood. But alright, let's get to number 4. Alright, homies, so number 4 are the Bullitt side scoops. Now, these are absolutely a favorite on the channel. Reason being is that they're so simple yet clean. Like, they're so nice. They go so well with the body line of the vehicle. Check out how it's flush with the door. And look at that body line, just runs so clean even up to the cell panel. Now I know most of the other side scoops obviously look the same, but being that none of them have no purpose, just there for decoration, I feel like these are the best looking one. They sit so flush, they're so nice. They're rare to get, sadly. One I had to buy from the East Coast, the other one I had to buy from the West Coast. Luckily they came in perfect condition. You can always check out that video down in the link. So let's get to number 3. Alright, so number 3 are the Magic Drift side skirts. Now, in my opinion, I feel like these are a really good add-on for all 9904 Mustang. That these are a really good add-on for all 9904 Mustangs. Reason being is that anybody can put them on their car that has a 9904 Mustang. I think it looks really nice, and I think it's better than the chin spoiler just because it gives the illusion that the car is lower than it is. Now, I know a chin spoiler can do that for the front of the car, but for the side of the car, I feel like that's a bigger difference just because it takes more space from the side of the vehicle, obviously. Now, it comes with aggressive body lines that match well with the new Edge, in my opinion, so that's why I really like it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. But you can purchase these from Magic Drift Aerodynamics, but I got these years ago. Actually, I got them from Awesome Airman, who was another YouTuber, and yeah, that's how I got these. So I got the first deal. They're really dope, and I like them a lot, and you'll see in the visuals why I think they're pretty dope. So let's get to number 2. Alright, homies, so number 2 is probably one of the most loved and the most hated part in the new Edge community, and that is the 99-01 Cobra Ambers. They also came on the Cobra R's. These right here are just hated on. Now, I understand it's pretty stupid paying the price for these just for those 2 yellow squares. It is pretty dumb. However, the people that hate on them secretly like them. Like, I don't care what you say. The reason I know that is because I was one of those people that hated these taillights, but look at me now. Now I have them on my car. Yes, I got them for somewhat of a good deal, and I did pay maybe too much for taillights, but honestly, man, I really like them. They look really good on the car. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Why is that so? And honestly, the price right now, yeah, it's pretty stupid. So let's get to number 1. Alright, homies, so number 1 is the 99-01 Cobra bumper. This right here, in my opinion, is one of the coolest bumpers that you can get for your 99-04 Mustangs. I think it looks better than the 03-04 Terminator Cobra bumpers, but that's my opinion. This right here changed everything for the channel, in my opinion. This is when really my views started to pick up. People were really interested into the rare collection build, whatever, just having fun, you know, finding all these rare parts for the Mustang. This right here is just so nice, so sleek. It goes so well with the COWL hood, and in my opinion, it's number 1. That's why it's obviously number 1 on the list. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the 9901 Cobra bumper, or do you like the 0304 Cobra bumper, or do you just like the regular V6 GT bumper? Let me know if maybe there's another bumper out there. You know, there's like a million new edges out there, variations, whatever. So yeah guys, these are my top 5. Let me know down in the comment section what your top 5 is, or what's your favorite mod that you did to your 99 to 04 Mustang. Real quick, let me tell you about what's gonna happen soon. And by soon I mean next year, when I do these videos that I've been preparing for. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so real quick I want to talk about what's gonna happen next year. So next year I have something planned, man. This is something I've been planning for about more than a year, a couple years honestly, even before YouTube. This is something I've dreamt of doing. Now this is gonna be out of the automotive content. This is gonna be something culturally different. That's the only hint I'm gonna give y'all. It's gonna be something really dope. Obviously I'm gonna add in some automotive content, so that's another hint right there. Man, it's just gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. But yeah guys, if you have any questions, any comments, let me know down below. Like up the video. Let's get to 50 likes on this video. And yeah guys, if you want to see more content of my 04 Mustang, if you can't wait for next year, the badass things that's gonna happen, subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. But I gotta go. Let's start on the Mustang. Y'all can hear this Bassani Off by work. Let's get into it.